good news about Jesus, as according to Luke chapter 9 from verse 1 to verse 9. Jesus sent out in 12 apostles them. Jesus calling 12 apostles them together and give them power and the right to run out demons and to cure sick people. Him send them out to tell people about God's kingdom and to cure the sick. Jesus tell them say, no take nothing we do know when you know go. No carry no walking stick, no bag, no bread, no money, or no clothes for change. The first somebody will take you in their house, stand with them till you know ready for left the town. If people don't want you in them town, shake off the dust off on the foot when you know left. When if you do this, make them know say God not happy with them and He might judge them. So Jesus apostle them travel from district to district, and preach the good news and a cure people. Herod catch him afraid. When Herod will rule over Galilee, hear about the sitting them where Jesus did do, him start fret. Cause some people are say John the Baptist come back alive. Other people say Elijah come back. Some say one of the prophet them from way back when come back alive. But Herod say, and me make them chop off John head. So a older man ya me a hear them sitting about. And Herod try to meet up with Jesus. And Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.